our video. We are going to the farm by train, Kluang Johor. Let's eat first before the train moves. Our cousin and aunties are with us in the street.
Come and groove along.
Here we go. It's a fast train.
Wow! Come on and groove along. Come on.
We are here, but we are scared to jump by the jab and Daddy help me.
Come and groove along. You gotta feel it.
This is an old railway station. It's called Kluang Railway Station.
You gotta feel it. Feel it.
From here we took the car ride to the farm. Santa Claus is waiting for us.
I said, baby, you gotta move along.
They give us the fun ticket.
Take it real slow. I said, honey.
We are waiting for our bus. Here's our bus. Here we go to the farm. It's an open bus, so it's very windy and nice. Our first stop is the goat shed. There where the goats sleep and stay. Look at the white goat, it's so pretty. Wow, there's a lot of goat here. A baby goat is called a kid. It's a lot of kid here. Let's look at this cute baby. It's so cute. I'm feeding them milk. I'm so happy and excited. This These are little grown-ups. They are so nice. One trying to run away. Look at that filler, look at that filler. Yummy, yummy, more milk. My little cousin brother is fascinated. Look at all these babies drinking all the milk, so cute. Now we are in the goat factory. They bottle the fresh milk here. Goat milking station. We get all the milk from the goat here. We are trying the goat milk. It's super delicious and fresh. My little cousin brother wants more and me too. My tummy wants more. I like the yogurt flavor. It's so yummy. We are selling milk, ice creams and yogurt. Yum, yum, yum. We are going to our next destination, the duck pond. Very nice. Look at those ducks. They are clean and white. We are feeding the ducks. We must put in the bamboo shoot. A red angry ducks. at the ostrich place. Look at those snacks.
If you try, I'm pretty sure it's more. You'll change your life. Now they won't be
I'm trying to feed them.
so deep into my heart.
Rabbits! I love rabbits. Here we can touch the rabbits. They are so cute, and watch their deer walking behind. Wow, a native village. And an old wooden house. A field full of gooseberries. I'm going to pluck some of them. Look at those red berries, they look yummy. Playing on the swing on the sunny day. Taxi, taxi, anyone want to take a taxi? Bye-bye, goat farm.
Too much to ask.
We are waiting for the train. It's time to go back.
I'll be here waiting.
Bye-bye, Kluang Johor. See you again. I am a zombie. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe our channel.